Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Honeycomb extension. This is a really cool way to save money when you're on a tight budget and you're shopping online. So this is available as a Chrome extension and as an app, and you can add this Chrome extension to start saving money on the online shopping that you do. And as you can see, I saved $28 by using the Honeycomb extension, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So let's get started. What to do is go to Google and type Honeycomb extension and hit enter, and click on the first link that is there, which says Honey for Chrome. As I already have the Chrome extension, I'm going to remove it quickly to show you how the experience looks the first time. And now you can see that I have an option to add to Chrome, and this is what you will see. And just click on it to add to Chrome. It will ask you for permission to see the website that you're on to provide you with the best coupon code. So you just click on add extension. This is a super normal permission that all Chrome apps need. And as you can see, that a new window automatically pops up which says Honey is installed, and now you can like sign in, or it works well without signing in as well. So once you install it, you can generally see it on the top right hand side here where the extensions are. But as I have other extensions, I will click on this button which looks like a puzzle piece, and as soon as I click on it, I can see that Honey is there. And now half of my work is done. So what I basically have to do is go onto the website on which I generally shop, and this is available on all the websites. So what it basically does is, Honey has a huge user base, and whenever somebody uses the coupon code in its user base on any website, it stores that coupon code within its database. And when you want to use you're browsing on the same website and you want a discount, so it cross checks its database with the discount coupons available on the website and offers the best one to you. So now, for example, I want this product. So what I will do is I will quickly see the product, select my size, select my color if I want the black color, and then I will do add to cart. And after that, I will go on checkout. So checkout is generally the place on any website where you can apply a coupon. And as soon as you come on this, you can see the Honeycomb extension automatically references all the coupons in its database, and it says that it has found 10 coupons that have been used by other Honey users on this website itself. And to apply them, simply click on the apply 10 coupons. So now what the app will do is it will try and apply all coupons to see which coupon is giving you the maximum discount. And as soon as it figures that out, it will automatically apply that coupon code onto your cart, and then it will give you the revised price. So you can see Honey found out that coupon code YIAY was giving me the maximum discount, and it shows that I've saved $28.25. And if I click on continue on checkout, you can see that the gift card or discount coupon code has already been applied. I've saved money, and now my total is less than what it was originally. So this is how you use the Honeycomb extension, and you can use this on most websites. I've used it on Amazon. I've used it on all major retailers online, and it works super well. And if you found this video useful, please let me know in the comments. Show me some love. If you have any problem using the Honeycomb extension, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe. Signing off.